Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about powerful feature of .NET Core MVC, that is View Component. Let's see the agenda for this session. First, what is View Component and how it differs from partial view. Last session we discussed about partial view, so we are going to see how it differs from partial view. Then location of our View Component inside our project structure. Also, we are going to see some real-time code implementation. Okay, first, how it differs from partial view. That means, what is the difference between partial view and view component? Partial view always depends on parent view. In our last session, we discussed about that. That means partial view expects model from parent view if it needs to bind some dynamic data. If it going to bind some static data, then it is not the use case. But our view component have its own model. It does not depend on parent view always. So it have own model. Partial view have extension like .cs HTML, but view component have extension of .cs. View component must derive from view component base class. We can create view component anywhere in the application, but as per convention, it should be created inside component folder. Let's see how to do that. Let's open the same Visual Studio which we used in last session. In last session, we created partial view. In the shared folder, reusable folder, we have created one partial view, and we invoke that partial view from index.cs HTML and create employee.cs HTML. For that, inside the controller, we call some statistics repository and pass it in a viewer. That's what we seen in last session. Now, what is the main constraint in partial view? Every time partial view expects its model from its parent view. See, this index.cs HTML is its parent view. We are going to render a partial view inside that. On that time, this partial view expects some model from our parent view. This is the main constraint. To overcome this, Microsoft introduced new feature called View Component. So in View Component, it does not depend on our parent view. Okay, let's see how to do that. We can create View Component anywhere else, but it is best to create inside a folder component. So create a new folder called components. Okay. Inside that, click add a new class. We can provide us mstats, employee status, statistics. So we can provide mstats.cs. Now we need to inherit something. We already told that we need to inherit view component base class. So view component base class. Okay. We need to create one invoke method. Public I view component result invoke. We can create some HTML string to display the employee statistics. Before that, we need to call our repository to get statistics. To call that, we need to use the feature of dependency injection. You know that how to use the dependency injection. For that, we need to create constructor. The repository name is employee. Okay, let's call that its statistics method. We can return HTML string from here itself. First, we can see how to bind the HTML data from this view component itself. Then next, we can see how to create a new view and how to call that view from our view component. Let's see how to bind the HTML data directly from our view component CS file. You have to form a HTML string to display the statistics. We can use the same which we used in our last session, that is inside parcel view. We can use the same HTML here also. I don't need it. Okay. For mail count, we need to bind it from our entity. That means that's that mail count. For female count, we need to display it from our stats. Okay, fine. Then we can differentiate this is from view component. Yes, we successfully created view component. Now we need to invoke this view component from our view. How to do that? Go to index.cshtml. We already rendered our parcel view. Below that, we can invoke our view command. How to do that? But await component dot invoke asking our statistics. Right? Our view component name is mstats. emb stats. In partial view, we passed the model. That is the constraint. So we overcome that, and we are not passing the model. It have its own model. Let's run the application. sorry, some spelling mistake. The view component name is M. That's to provide the same. We're calling from index.cs system. Run the application again. See, this is the result from partial view. This is the result from our view command success. But one more thing we need to consider. See, inside the view command, we are creating the HTML tag as it is. It is simply 2 lines of HTML tags. So it is not a problem writing here. But if it is a big screen, that is some huge transaction screen, we have some hundreds of HTML elements, then it is tedious process writing here. So what we can do, instead we can create a new view for that. We can design all HTML tags there and we can map that HTML view here. How to do that? We go to shared folder, create a folder named with our view component. View component name is mstats. We can create same name, folder with the same name. Here, mstats. Okay. Inside that, create a empty view. Add view default. The name should be default.cshtml. Okay. Now, whatever thing we wrote in our partial view, please go to the partial view. We can use the same wherever view components view. Write it here. Yes. Now go to view component.cs. Here instead of doing like this, then return and view with model. That's it. And the application. Click on employee management. Experts inside views add components. But what we did, we need to create a folder components. Inside that we need to put this folder. Add folder name. That is the folder structure we need to follow to use the view component. Add new folder, view components. This folder should be inside components folder. So inside shared folder, inside components folder, inside mstats folder, we need to provide default.cs HTML. Let's run the application. On employee management. Yeah. Okay. This is from partial view. This result from our view command success. The same way we can call it in another view also. Copy this one. Go here. Hit here. Let's run the application. Click on employee management. Click on create new employee. Yes, success. This result from partial view. This result from view command. Okay. So this is the powerful feature in .NET Core MVC. That means this view command never depends on parent view. It has its own model. So we can plug and play this view command in any view. Thanks for